Hey guys, have another unboxing today. Long overdue. Let's try and get this camera straight. I think that's more or less straight. Okay, get the gloves on. Okay, so supposed to have more shoes today, but it looks like only 2 have gotten delivered. January was quite a slow month, I guess, with Nike. And customs clearance. So I'm not even exactly sure what's being delivered since it's only 2 shoes. But it looks like it's an Air Jordan women's. Oh, I think this is the pink one. Let's see. Arctic orange, siren red, black, orange. Okay, we'll have to open it. Nothing else exciting on the box. Oh, I never saw this before. Box made in China. Okay. And just the regular 23 is written everywhere. Let's see. Yeah, these are pink ones. Why are they calling this orange? That's strange. I don't know, what do you guys think? Am I colorblind? Is this pink or orange? Apparently these have 0 to no resale value, as women don't like Jordan 5s. But I thought that this color was very interesting. So what do you guys think? Can I make some money reselling this? Yeah. So let's first have a look at the shoe. Oh, that's like a mesh, but it is covered, so you won't be able to see the sock from inside. This looks very cool. I really like the shocking pink on it actually, and that it carries over to the bottom. It's similar to the Jordan one that has a bubble gum look. I mean, it's like a similar vibe on the underneath. Then it has that cushion. I don't have the strength to push it, but I'm sure if someone does, you could see that part going up and down. In any case, why is the shoe so hard? Okay, need to take out the inside stuff. There we go. Okay, now it feels a lot softer. Wow, what a big difference. There's a Jumpman logo. On the inside, it's very soft. And the tongue as well, and it's so comfortable. So I tend to not like to buy my own size because whenever I do, I can't resell them. Like, I don't have the heart to resell them. So this is almost my size, so maybe I may just keep them. Let's see what happens. I think this is very cool, and you can't see exactly, but there's a whole clip here around this part. There we go. Look at that. For those of you who are lazy to tie your shoelaces, and there's a Jumpman inside. The insole seems regular, nothing too fancy to shout about. Yeah, it's just a regular Nike Jordan insole. It is sort of soft, but I mean, this is what we more or less can expect from them, so yeah, does feel quite nice though. I do foresee the shoe getting dirty very easily though. Maybe we need to invest in some wipes. Okay, so let's do a 360 of the shoe. So he's talking to someone. That's their view. Side view. Back view. If you look down, that's your view. They look a bit chunky, but I guess that's sort of the look at the moment. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. There's one more shoe to unbox. I feel like the quality on this one though is a bit more better than a few of the others in general, because I can't really see much you know, glue sticking out here and there. Yeah, it's not bad, but maybe I missed a spot. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have ordered your pair yourself and were unhappy with it, or if you were happy with it. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. So here's the next pair. Oh, SBs. I know which one these are. This is actually something I was looking forward to. And I'm also planning on getting some of the other colors. Okay, so let's investigate the box a little bit more. So it's ISHOD, I think that's how you pronounce it. Light olive black, UK 9. Anything on the underneath? Oh, it's upside down. Made in China. I'm not sure if that was always there, but it's just something I've only started noticing now. Okay, let's open the box. Box is very cool. Well, it's the net again. Also look at the shoe. It's just something very cool about the backward Nike swoosh. Let's see the under, since it is a skateboarding shoe. Yeah, it's even backwards on the under. Very cool. Lighting is not very good today. Okay, so you would be able to see the sock through that. There's something different here with the laces. So with surprise, no extra pair of laces came, but it would be nice for a red pair as well. And there's your swoosh. It actually feels like leather or something, plastic maybe. It's not a regular material. So this was I was talking about. You know, sometimes you can always see the glue. You can see the glue. Well, as other people like to say, Nike is consistent in being inconsistent. In any case, someone is talking to you, this is what they would see. Side view, back view, that looks very cool. Other side view, and your own view of your shoes. It has a very wide look to it. There's just something there that looks very wide. It gives it a very wide vibe. Okay, so you won't be able to see into the shoe here because of the tongue. The tongue is super padded as well, hey? Yeah, it's like double padded. So I guess if you actually are using this as a skateboarding shoe, you would have quite a bit of support. I do like it when they sometimes put an extra layer here so that, you know, when you're doing jumps and stuff, yeah, your shoe doesn't tear as easily or break as easily. But it is a very soft shoe, and it does seem like it comes with quite a bit of support. Expect it to last quite long. Well, actually, if you're wearing it just as a normal sneaker, it will also do its job. If I was going to wear it as a regular sneaker, though, I would probably go with the white and blue one. Yeah. Maybe I'll just actually buy that for myself. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in any of these shoes, not from buying it for me obviously, but for yourselves, or if you have bought it and you have anything in particular that you like, yeah, and give me a thumbs up. I'm going to try and concentrate on this channel a bit more, so feedback will be appreciated. Okay, cool. Until next time.